Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and if you're into Huck's World. And today we're going to review a screen protector for the Galaxy Watch, and I think everybody should be protecting their Galaxy Watch at some degree. Now for me, I've never used any protection. I am for the first time going to try one on the Galaxy Watch. Didn't use one for the Gear S3, so if you look at it, I got a couple of dings down at the bottom and I wish I had protected it a little bit better. But sometimes it's hard. I love my things to be butt naked and free. All right, so with that being said, we are going to try a screen protector on the Galaxy Watch, and this is our first time putting one on, so we're going to learn as we go. Now, we did pull out the instructions and we did read it. Now, this is a Spigen tempered glass screen protector, again for the Galaxy Watch. It has a 9H glass hardness, which is supposed to retain the same glass feel as the original, okay? So with that being said, let's go ahead, let's check this out. Oh, also, it's got some kind of coating on here that prevents it from leaving oil prints and fingerprints on the glass itself, which that's pretty cool. I do like that. Now, what comes in the box? First, you get instructions. The second thing you do get lens wipes where you can wipe the smartwatch off with, and you get lens stickers as well. And you also get a cleaning cloth as well. And then you get 3 tempered glass protectors. All right, that's everything that comes in the box. Now, I paid $8 for this on Amazon.com. Again, I will leave the link in the description where you guys can go have a closer look at this, and or if you want to buy. All right, with that being said, let's go ahead, let's put this on. We've already cleaned the watch. We've already used the cloth that it came with. We'll wipe it down just a little bit more. It looks pretty clean to me, people. Very clean, actually. And the way we use this is the flap is what you're going to hold on to guide it in. This back piece here is what's going to be peeled off, okay? So let's peel this off. And all we simply do is line it up in the center, kind of get it to where you want it. And I think that's where I want it. Voila. That's it. That's all you have to do, people, and it's in. I will let it sit for a while, all right? But we are going to try it right now. Let's go ahead and boot this back up. People, it's loaded up. Let's take a look at it. The first thing we're going to do, we're going to swipe the screen down. Seems like it works with no problem. Swipe to the side. Swipe to the other side. No problem. Let's go into it. See if we can tap on a button or two. Let's try the brightness. Okay, seems like it's working, no problem. Cut that off. And slide it again. Left, right. All right, people, we're in there. So it seems like it works, right? Fluid, feels like glass. Now you can see the rim of it, but again, remember, it's all about protection of your smartwatch. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know if you're going to go get you a screen protector, or if you even think it's worth protecting. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all again at the next video. Take care.